Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I am on a filming marathon today, like big time. I went 2 weeks without filming. I was just recuperating from some tough times, and so now I'm back, and this is my, I think, fifth or sixth video I've done today. Lots of shopping. I did lots of shopping and shared some really fun stuff, so look forward to those coming up in the next week or two. I'm going to be sharing all these videos, but today I got something in the mail. I always get it right. Well, this came, well, I just got this 1st of August. So anyway, I've got the Macy's Beauty Box. This month was a special month, so I'm excited to share it, and let's just get started. Okay, friends, I appreciate your support. Thank you for being here. Thank you to my subscribers. Those of you who would like to subscribe, hit the like button, comment, do those things to support my channel. I would love it. So help me get to 1,000 subscribers real soon here, and I'm going to give a big giveaway. So anyway, thank you, and let's get to this. So what was exciting about this month's Macy's Beauty Box was that it was a takeover box curated by Kylie Cosmetics. So it came with this pink velvet bag. It's really a nice bag, super nice velvet. Usually they give you an extra gift in their bags, and this, I think, was that what they did for this one. But there's just nice pink velvet, and then wrapped up tiny. In here is what came. They also put 2 of these in here. Macy's Beauty Box. They give you $5 off. This is all things Kylie Cosmetics. They have a QR code, so you can check out the Kylie Cosmetics. This is $5 off to use towards a purchase. I got 2 of them. So anyway, there's that. And everything's in here. So it's tiny. Whatever we got is tiny. I think I kind of took a sneak peek on the website, and I think some of these are just little sample items. And then there was a couple of makeup items, I think. So they always wrap their stuff in this pretty pink tissue. Okay, all this right here, it looks like we've got a full-size lash. I love this light pink. And it's called Kylash. K-Y Lash. See that? And let's see what the... Okay. It's just got the brush, just regular brush, not the plastic. I like it. I like that kind of brush, and I like the aesthetics of it. That's just, that pink is so pretty, that light pink. I like it. So anyway, that's our first item. The next item, it looks like we have 2 of maybe the same, and these are lip from Kylie lip products. Let's see what I got here. I've got okay, so it's just like a little lip gloss type. And let me try this on here. Okay, it's just your, it's your nice, like, kind of a mauve-y color there. There's that one. And it feels good. It feels like, okay, it's like it's going to have staying power. So anyway, and then the next one, we'll see what color it is. This is a little bit darker. It looks more like a red. So look how cute those are. It's real cute here. Okay, it looks pretty red. Okay, but I like it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It actually, because of my lighting, it's showing up kind of really red, orangey almost, but it's kind of a deep, looking at it, I don't know if you can see it, different lighting, but it's kind of a deep, it's really pretty red. So no orange to it at all when I look at it like this. In the lighting, it kind of looks orangey. So those are our the main 3 products. The rest here are all samples, sample packets. One of them is Kylie Skin, so it's skincare of some sort. Okay, I think I found my glasses. All right, so I can get a better look at what these are. It doesn't tell you what you're getting really, so you have to. This is a makeup removing cleanser, so there's that. And it seems like a decent amount. This would be, you know, you throw these in next time you travel. These are great. These 3 items would be great just to throw in. And they would at least last you a weekend or a week. This one right here, because of the color, the light pink with the white on it, I really can't see the writing. This is from Kylie Skin too, but I have no idea what it is. Like, maybe you can see it better if I put it up. I don't see it. And the same with this last one. It's Kylie Skin too, but I don't. So there's that one. So we've got the 3 samples, skincare samples. The mascara, which probably pays for the box or more. This Macy's box is $15 a month, and you usually get about 5 items or different samples. Sometimes they give you a variety of skincare, makeup, scents. This one, because it's all Kylie products. So the mascara and the 2 lippies are awesome. The lippies, I mean, they're gonna stay. These are like, there's no smudging or anything. So I'm kind of excited about those. And they're little, you can just slip them in your purse. So, and then the cute bag, we got the cute bag here. So I'll put it all in the bag. So what do you think of Macy's August bag? Now this is, I think I started in May, was it? Getting Macy's, and I've been a little disappointed a couple of the months. This was kind of a fun month, I think. I love the pink, the light pink, and Kylie's, you know, she's just another Kardashian to me, but it's kind of fun getting some makeup from Kylie. So anyway, that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Do you get the Macy's beauty bag each month, and what do you think of it? So I'm happy with it. I think if I were to compare it to Ipsy, which is the same price, I think they would compete month to month. Some months I think Macy's is better, some months. Now I'm going to tell you, I already got a sneak peek at what's coming in my glam bag from Ipsy for August, and I'm not too excited about it. So I think this one would win for August. So we'll see when I get that, and I can share that with you. But that's it for today. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you being here and all your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.